welcome back to my channel, At Home with Nancy. At Home with Nancy is all about interior decor, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and all things fancy. And if that's something you're interested in, smash that subscribe button so y'all could join the most high gang. And do not forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I do post new content. In today's video, we are going to be doing the Amina Muaddi Begum unboxing. So I'm very excited about this unboxing because this is my first Amina Muaddi Begum slingbacks. So back in 2021, I wanted some Amina Muaddi Begums, and I just couldn't get my hands on the perfect one. Back then I wanted an orange one, but then I ended up getting some Mac and Mac orange muse, and I didn't want any orange shoes anymore. Then I wanted a black one, but the black ones are so hard to come by. Like, they are so difficult for you to get your hands on them. So this shoes actually was a gift from my best friend. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, wifey. You know I appreciate you, boo. I appreciate you. Love you. Mwah. Thank you. So these shoes she got for me for my birthday, and this is supposed to be part of my birthday unboxing, or part of what I got for my birthday, but I'm just doing this on its own because this shoes deserves its own video. You know what, let's just open it so you can see what I mean. So I've been obsessed with these shoes, and I'm so glad she got them for me. This is really the perfect gift. Here it is. Okay, let's take out the dust bag. Okay. Here are the shoes. Here are the shoes. Let me take out the other one. I'll put this right here so you could just admire the shoes. Oh, okay, that works. And here's the other one. So these are the shoes. Just a moment of silence for these. They are so pretty. Like, so these are here at the bottom. So these are the Amina Muaddi Begums. So I do have Amina Muaddis just like this one, but it's not the Begum. Those are called the Rosy. Those have the bow on top of it. In fact, I have a video right here of the Rosy. I did do an unboxing of it. So these are the Begums. So this was the one Amina started with. These style, you know, she came up with the clear ones and these ones and so many other colors, but these black ones are just a classic. And for me, I do have a lot of black shoes, but these are just something I needed in my collection. You know, I just feel like they're classy, they're beautiful, and just look at it. So these has the starburst brooch on top of it. So it's just so beautiful. And these two, like this brooch actually has the earrings. I mean, a lot of my friends do have the earrings, but yeah. So I love the insole, how it's like brown on the inside. So should I call this brown? Yeah, I'll call this brown. And here's the bottom. Okay, here's the bottom. So it does have the martini heel. So let me just inspect these shoes just to see if I see any imperfections, because sometimes I did watch on YouTube with a YouTuber saying the shoes are not well made because they do have some dents, you know, like the manufacturing they did say was not handmade. So, but so far I do not see any dent on mine. Yeah, so far I don't see any dent on mine. Yeah, so far so good. This looks really good. Like, it's beautiful. I got this in the size 9.5 because majority of my shoes I need 9.5. I do have some in 9s, like the ones that run big, and when I say 9 I mean size 39. So this is a 39.5, which is also a US 9.5 actually, a US 9.5. And yeah, these are so far so good. I good buy, because usually my other Amina Muaddi, the rosy ones, they are very comfortable. So I believe this will be comfortable because this is the same heel height. So I believe this will be very comfortable also. And I do like this martini heel because I feel like the martini heel helps with the comfort, because I do see some Amina Muaddis that don't have this heel, but I feel like these heels are the signature for Amina Muaddi shoes. So why not get these that have the signature martini heel? And of course the heel makes the shoes a lot more comfortable. So hey, why not? Who doesn't like comfort? And also look beautiful while being comfortable. So these days I'm just into more comfortable shoes, you know. Before, back in the days, I would always like just kill myself wearing extremely uncomfortable shoes. That's why there was one of my Soul-Kates. They are very beautiful, very sexy, but the shoes are so uncomfortable, so I hardly ever wear them, you know. I don't want to sell them because I do like it, and so like I said, very sexy on the feet, at least on my feet. So but yeah, but these ones, they are black. Black is black. Black goes with everything. And I do love the silver, or should I say the crystals, the silver crystals. They're so beautiful. So let's just go on to my favorite part, which is, what's that? Trying the shoes on. Okay, come on. So as you could see, these shoes are phenomenal on my feet. They look so beautiful. They are very comfortable. I mean, I actually expected it to be comfortable because these are not my first Amina Muaddis. The other rosy ones, which are just like this, but with a bow on the top, are so comfortable. So I expected these to be comfortable. And yeah, what's not to love about it? And it's a black shoe, so I need to go with so many things I'll wear. And as for people saying Amina Muaddis are not well made, to be honest, in all honesty, from my experience, I have not had any issue whatsoever with my Amina Muaddis. This is my third pair. I do have two others. I do have the rosy slingbacks just like this, but with the bow. Then I do have the gilder slides, and so far so good. They are comfortable and nothing has fallen off at all. You know, I've had the rosy for a while now, almost a year now, and the gilder with my first Amina Muaddis, and those ones I've had for a year and a half, and so far no issue whatsoever. So I do believe maybe it all depends on the ones you get, but or maybe I'm just lucky. Maybe I'm just lucky. Maybe that's what it is. But if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for sticking with me throughout this video. If you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and I'll be catching y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Mwah. Don't forget to subscribe. That's my niece. Thank you so much, Bree. Love you.